Is it on?
It's on, yeah.
Okay. What's going on, YouTube?
Well, no, I don't need
Finals of the locals here.
It's Bobby Break versus Robbie Stewart.
It
oh,
is.
wait, I'm sorry. No, it's just their decks.
Yep, pretty much.
Team Megalomania members, Parker and Josh Hackler, going at it in the finals. Not in top 4 for once.
We both made it.
9.
I made it.
Damn.
More than 9.
Sucks to you guys. It's actually not Bobby. It's actually not Robbie Stewart's deck. It's my deck from the championship.
With a couple of changes.
What's the changes?
And I'm
Hyperspeed.
Oh yeah, we had 2 hyperspeed.
being that decker. I just said, fuck
the
it, I'm
second
playing
one
Bobby Brick's
stopped me
deck
from
with
killing
like
him.
1 change.
Yeah,
What is the Spark Lake for?
that wouldn't be. That wouldn't be
Is that
good.
the promo
My
card?
hand sucks.
Yeah.
Move the camera a little bit.
2 of them.
There we go.
I
That's a
need
little better.
2.
Go.
I only have 1.
All right, let's do this, John.
Good.
Yep.
The only other thing.
Aren't you supposed to see like the cards? You can't really see the cards.
Is the angle bad?
Yeah.
Lighting fights. Yeah, you can. You can see him fine.
Good.
Probably just the angle you're looking at the screen.
You going
Cards.
4.
Maybe. And how many cards is this?
41.
Good.
That is a keeper. Go ahead. Now finishing your draw trigger.
I can't. So I have to finish resolving.
Oh.
I lost this game, sir. Go.
Why did you lose?
I'll tell you afterwards.
Go.
Cards.
2.
Bone blades. Go.
I dropped my Squirrel Scourge.
Go.
Umbra. Who plays that fucking card?
Is this the shit Jolly's trading in? Is this the stuff Jolly's trading in?
That's nice.
Damn it.
That's one busted up.
Fire.
I got an expensive.
Yeah.
You do.
You're good. Hey, look.
More of these damn things.
All 3 neurons. on
It's
the
a
board.
bottle after all.
Not on the board. Like,
No!
They are all on the board.
But that.
they're not in the battlefield.
I've got the
Man is
lovely
on the
bunch of
battlefield.
coconuts.
I've got a lovely bunch of wishes. There they
I
all
thought that I
sitting
was
in
going
the
to lose.
Sir,
bottle.
you are not getting a-
Triple sprout in my
Yeah. Glad I did that.
Oh, fucking damn it. Damn it!
Okay, that's fine. Am I go?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
It took me a long time to find this and the place in a shocking.
Play fine, sir.
Sure. Water,
What is that,
50
this
something.
Yep.
Skirmisher.
Yep.
Sweet.
Those are about those
Big man.
those
Yep.
and these.
Good.
I need 2 of him to have a cool place out of him.
Charge. We're out.
How much is he worth?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Go.
Yeah.
Go.
You know,
You're good.
I'd be pretty mad.
That is a Lux. Memory.
I don't care.
For your blocker.
I'm not
Here,
going
you
to
guess where I'm gonna go get it.
that's difficult.
Sir, say I know they're not all in
I
my
have to give
fucking
myself a
shields.
chance.
I've only got 1 fucking shield right here.
Alright. Good.
Sword Horde, Bronze Iron, kill.
This 27.
Bobby Break, if you watch this, you did a good fucking job. This deck's insane.
I'll do 2 years.
Go.
try to throw something for like $1. There you go.
I can get, yeah, I've still got those. Sorry. But I've been trying to, I saw all this crossword the other night and I was like, okay, this guy's good for a certain thing. I've been wanting to run it. Are you taking this out for?
And yes, I am playing on a Yu-Gi-Oh, man. It's Dan. Get off me.
Green, white, blue.
Can't do it.
What do you?
About Sean Mack.
See, I had triple sprout in my hand. I was fucked.
It's a shade, boys.
Good.
But then, first of all, this is like
Cards.
one of my favorite cards. Just because
So, Umbra.
but his effect is fucking stupid. Yeah, he's really good. Draw 3 cards. Yeah. So what do you play? She plays blue black control. Blue black. Oh, she's the one that's using them 3 squeakies. Yeah, she's using my 3 squeakies.
Like I said,
Does no one
Not
run
far
scared
behind.
Louisville anymore? Blue Holland? No, I mean like any of the
Hackler's deck.
Andromeda decks.
That was a pretty good fucking
You
draw.
play Scared Over, right?
What am I at?
what are you at?
19.
I said you were right.
What?
Wrong
You
game.
like Scared Over, Blue Holland?
In this?
Yeah.
No.
Oh, you don't? Okay.
Nope.
That's what I'm saying.
How about fucking blue sense? I guess so.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Of what? So, what are they out of?
Rice. So this is what's left out of stuff that Kelly
Wait,
is
mine's
going to trade in.
trigger. Control. Answer. Pull you off.
Fucker, you got the cards I want.
Kill. Kill.
15.
Oh no, these weren't in the trade.
I was like, what?
I'm trying to how much trade you have to get for the rest of the set.
15.
15? That's enough.
This deck is stupid. Oh, so stupid.
Oh.
3 side commons, 3 wild smash ones, 2 wizard cards.
Keeper.
So let's do it for 6.
Yeah.
Go. You are just go get that. You play that. Special summon.
Wow.
Double. Double.
Go.
Last shot.
All but not
Charge.
sure.
Just came one.
Yep.
Okay, well at least it's not game 2 and he didn't win game.
Huh?
At least it's not game 2 and he won game 1.
One card.
Oh well, wait. I cast one spell. It means he's a 6,000 double trigger.
Right.
Yeah, buddy.
Do I want to attack him? I'm gonna die.
Go.
No. Go ahead.
How many cards?
One.
Left or right? Pick one.
7 mana.
Great.
Okay.
Double.
Bouncy, bouncy.
Okay.
And double spell.
Game 1 goes to Bobby Break's deck.
Freeze it. Here you go.
Game over.
or something.
Yeah, he drew cut at one card and it happened to me in Furnace Awakening. And I hit Herald of Furnace instead.
Hey, what?
One attack. Can I get a 3 Leviathans with 3 apiece and a fancy deck? I do that.
Flip one.
This deck is so stupid. It's fun.
And we're seeing why that deck went over the stack.
I can't believe I fucked the. Don't ever let a drink
Two
get
cards?
near
That's
a
one.
fucking card.
Yeah, those two. I have one card.
And Magus don't care. I'll. It don't care. It's like I'm still playable.
You go.
Go.
You're gonna hate me.
I'm not gonna hate you. Just,
I guarantee you're
have
gonna
it.
hate me.
I'm not gonna hate you just because I lose a game.
You sure you're not gonna hate me?
I'm not.
Bird.
Look at that.
Yep.
Wrong one. Swish.
Go.
Swish.
I was you're gonna hate me.
I was expecting something like that.
You're good.
Draw.
Give me a bunch of mana.
Play those. Go ahead.
Yep. Yep.
Give you a
Draw
bunch of mana.
Toxic Fog. It's not Toxic Fog. Go. Bird aggro's gonna
I'll
kick
hate
my
you
ass.
if you do a third one. Then I will hate you. If you go prick back bronze on right now, I will be mad. Other than that, I don't care.
I can't believe I actually pulled these. How much, Sean? I got a hyper speed and that whole guy.
Yep.
What's he doing anyways?
$1.
What if I
How many
do
cards?
Ace
Two.
Blade? Assault.
Now, okay, that sucks too.
Sad face.
Go ahead.
Okay, first shield. And. Do I need to do that?
Sure.
No, I'll save it for.
Okay, Sean. 3 and 5. Would you do one more pack on that?
Sure.
Okay. Here's
Yep,
your
you got it.
Charge. Man,
God,
I
you know
can play
how
like
much
a
of a
full
blowout
fucking
Toxic
secret
Fog
right
would
now.
have been.
Like it matters though.
Game 2 goes to Gertz. Or
Maybe I shouldn't have attacked because you could have double even here and just kill me.
But I don't. I got like.
Should have waited one turn. Should have waited one turn and I could do that. Okay.
Starfleet Squadron, Magris, Prickleback, tap that, and I draw a card, and go, holding this, so like, if you hadn't bounced both of those,
I don't think I could remember that pile shuffle if I ever. That was so fucking random. These are starting to get sticky.
squish.
What's your all's count over there?
He just won 2-1. I'm totally taking the Starfleet Squadrons out of this deck. I never get them to trigger.
Starfleet Squadron, you have to have pretty much have your deck based on him, and it'd be like him, all spells, and like.
I use him because I have 9 spells, and he is bait for one of my
That's
evos.
nowhere near enough spells.
But he's bait for one of my evos.
That don't mean shit.
He's a 4,004.
4,004 drops. It does nothing.
He can be evoed on.
Congrats.
Take that, Andromeda! Rah!
And random Sean.
I am
Mack.
gonna need like a couple of 2-drop creatures in this deck, so I'll take them out for that.
We'll see if Ricky puts that on there.
I don't see why it
He
wouldn't.
doesn't know how to edit, so it'll probably.
Okay.
In that case, let's do something really weird that he can't post.
Ricky's wife's blowing all of Ricky's deep, darkest secrets.
Hey, Ricky. Yeah. I put
But
something
not
else
blowing
on
him.
your video.
Whoa!
I put something else
Yeah.
on your video.
Love you, Caleb.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, me and Caleb already had that conversation. Once you're married, you don't do that anymore.
Go.
I'm not
Which,
married.
which makes me think I never want to get married.
Just keep dating. Fuck it.
Go.
You'll notice it when you.
That's exactly what you want to do.
That's
Fuck
my
it.
rule right there. Say,
Yeah.
I'm never getting married. We just live
What the hell
together
is your
forever.
channel? Huh? What the hell's your channel? I need to YouTube. Just search Ricky Gross.
Good.
Find that, subscribe.
Go ahead.
Where are those cards you want to trade in? I'll put them in the case.
I am Toucan Sam.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Nice.
Bet you didn't know that.
Go.
Cards.
So, fitting for.
He was on 50 feet. He doesn't really have to deal with that.
Go.
That's a good card.
Uh-huh.
It's not the worst thing that ever happened.
Its art's really pretty too.
I like it.
You
Wow.
go on like an extra. You just
Okay,
go
I have
on.
a type. So you don't have
He's a Skyforce champion. That might be relevant sometime in the future.
to. House of Fun.
Never. Not a
Good.
chance. I would really, really love a Storm Patrol Evo. Really.
Why? So you can put something on top of keep your loss?
That and some other stuff that I like.
Yep.
Dat bottle, yo.
Because variancy is good for the game.
Alright, everybody, variance is good on 3. 1, 2, 3. Variance is good! Bottle of tears.
And I'm going to do these 2 cards.
Did you say bottle of tears?
Bottle of tears, yep.
Deal!
What was it?
Go.
A Bone
Bottle
Blades.
into a bone blades with no targets.
Wow.
Cards.
Hey,
Three.
see, there's where bottle's bad.
Mm-hmm.
That one situation.
Mesmerize.
That one situation.
That's good. Andromeda.
Go.
That's okay, now you just bottle into Andromeda.
Go.
Alright? Alright? Alright?
If he does, he does. The variance is good.
Variance is good.
Yeah, I have varianced into Squill Scourge twice tonight to win the game.
Seems strong.
60 or 80.
But you can play out of bottle if you use your skill.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bottle into bottle. Oh shit, son.
Whatever.
Look at that
I
deck
don't think
vintage.
so.
Things
I
just got
disagree.
real. What?
I disagree.
That what?
But you can do what you just said.
Play out of bottle with skill? That was sarcasm.
So,
You take that shield back.
Claim it.
1, 2.
3, 4. Oh shit, son.
Go.
That's a thing.
Wavelength's just like, I give no fucks.
Hey, Ricky,
Yeah.
is there
Is this what you're getting?
a
Alright,
card
Cards 1.
What?
that
You know what, Parker?
has
You've done it so much to this game.
handle like breaker that isn't
Bottle.
Okay.
Yeah.
My turn.
What? Is there fault on there?
I don't even know what I could do that'll be worth a shit. I
A
mean,
lot of cards.
my last king Triceratops would be awesome. Draw 5 cards. Yeah, and then Andromeda wouldn't be bad. Wavelancer's holding the fort now. 2-2.
Yeah. Okay.
There it is. No, you can go.
Girl! Yeah! Go.
That's how you beat ball, people. You're just cut them down 2 cards.
Yep, 1 to 2 cards, depending on how lucky you feel.
How do you feel?
So how do you feel?
Really good.
After I got 400 of them.
Jesus Christ. Like the damn, what was it?
Moon card?
Like,
Yep.
all your opponent's shields.
You bet.
Yes. This is gonna be a running thing. You gotta start spitting out like
Be like a fucking 12 dog.
Alright, so what is that?
6 draw.
6 mana.
You have 1 card
You
now?
ready?
Boy, how did I know?
1,000.
Go.
Alright. 6 mana, 2 red.
Andromeda, the Citadel.
Play. Draw a card.
Busted card is busted.
Destroy it. And then you-
Rip another one off the top.
It goes to the graveyard.
Cross one units.
Go.
So put one of your shields in the graveyard. Bring it to- Put one of your here. Yeah. Put one
My
of your
go.
shields in the graveyard.
Cards.
1.
Go.
And if you do,
Okay.
so you can't play it if you have no shields.
Just make it even.
I added that as last second. So that's the fact.
Yep.
Well, double breakers can't be now. That just seems
Let's
weird.
make it a 2.
That's
Are there 2 double breakers right now?
Mount all.
The only double breakers
Do
are
it.
now.
Bounce.
You said bounce all. I was like, what?
Yeah.
It has to be 5,000.
I know. I was like, what in the? I'm too tired.
It has double breakers.
Three man was over. That's why whenever you started playing, we were like, oh, shots we were like 3 consoles. So safe to
It doesn't have double.
Yeah, yes. It's 3 mana, 4,000 power attack, 2,000 double range. So he's got fast attack tech.
Yep.
He's fucking stupid.
Okay.
And then there's the one piece that's got that green one.
I thought there was just the one that when you got the thing on your
No, there's 2. There's a 3 mana double range. So now you're gonna make that blue red. So
Cards. 3.
Uh-oh.
purple dragon. And also you can
My God,
hold on.
Well, they still can.
Yes, I can.
Oh yeah, they can. Derp. Shit, I would've
Kind of
changed something
shenanigans
then.
is going on
I
over
completely
here.
forgot about that. Misplay. Could have hit a shield blast.
Yep, now you fucked up.
And then there's a 2-drop 1,000 that says when it comes to play, or while it's in play.
So you don't even need blue, you know all that.
It's 12 on a red.
Total
Play
dick.
it like 2 weeks of cheating.
I know, it's awful.
That's why you play the.
Because you would always draw the thing that you can't, that has to.
It's either one of 2 different cards. Oh wow, I just missed up with keeper
You're
card.
like,
Yep.
Ooh, I can't Evo this guy because he's a fucking belly guy.
There's a card that.
Wait, no, I didn't. I said not to do it to myself. Yeah,
Yeah.
3 cards.
You can't Evo him.
There's a deck that's awful. I think the game's
It's kind of a misplay, but I said I didn't want to do it in the first place. In my head, because the card I think you want to use.
I don't think I got a deck, but it's pretty good. It's just some cards there.
It's better for me to not
Yeah,
draw cards.
3 cards.
Yes.
I did have one more. Well, no, I didn't. Never mind. I didn't have one. I only ever played one run.
Okay. Is that what you went to go get?
Yeah.
Okay.
I played 3 of everything.
I fucked up because I hit a holy y'all, but I forgot the shade blaze gives me fucking fast attack.
So Parker wants me to fill that out for.
If I had my fucking squeakies, this deck would be actually
Okay.
What was that one where it said that broke all the
I'll be
shields?
getting the next paycheck.
Hey, what one do you guys do that one? Alright, Sean.
So if I get even.
Hey, Kelly opens 1 pack of Rise, gets this.
She didn't even know what she got because you took it to.
You got a super inflatable rare.
Did you tap a guy?
Oh, my fault.
I mean, you got it.
Okay.
I misplayed. You killed me.
This
Yeah.
isn't Apex Predator.
I know it's so
It's
sad.
not Randy Orton.
But I didn't look at shade
My
blaze.
shields.
It wouldn't matter whenever I was playing because I had this guy. Because if I hit holy y'all, I play Andromeda. At 4 shields, you still can't kill my guys. And then I have double Wave Lancer Tritonus. Oh well.
Shit.
Yeah. It is
Good
like-
match though.
Yeah, it was.
Great. About time one of us didn't get sacked. It was something we understood. Alright, that's it YouTube. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you later.
13 man.